Okay, so I'm replacing my Campy Super Record Ultratorque crank, and just taking this video real quick, so if anybody else needs the information, but also the main reason is if I ever have to take it apart again, I've got a record of which way to go, rightsy-tightsy or leftsy-loosey. This is actually a reverse thread one. There's a lot of videos online that have the wrong directions on there. So this is the titanium bolt. It's 42 to 60 Newton meters, and they also recommend using the anti-seize. So I got some anti-seize here, and then we'll go ahead and torque it. I've got my torque wrench set to 50 Newton meters, and we'll go ahead and just go with that, and it'll work nicely. So we'll just anti-seize this up real quick. Grab a rag, and again, I'll just go ahead. This one does have reverse threads, 42 to 60 Newton meters. And I just left it all in here because all I had to do is retorque this. I've already greased everything inside, put it all together a couple weeks ago. Had to get some of the tools ordered in to get this fixed. So we'll go ahead and line up the splines, make sure everything's all right, and hand tighten this for now. Again, reverse thread, so it'll be a leftsy-tightsy. I think that's what you'd call it, leftsy-tightsy. And it's snugging up. I am at 180 degrees there. And I'll go ahead and keep tightening this up, not using our torque wrench to do this work here. Use the torque wrench for the torque wrench, or at least that's what they taught me in the Air Force. And yeah, not ideal to use your Wahoo kicker as a repair stand, but it's sitting in here, and this is just one quick thing that I had to do. All right, so it's in there. Torque wrench is all set. This is that Campy tool. It is called a BB 110. It's about 22 bucks online. You could probably get by with just getting a standard 10 millimeter long hex wrench socket, and you'd be all good. And not a bad torque, nothing crazy. There it is at 50, and actually that seems a little light, so I'm going to go a little stronger just because I want to go a little higher on this. So I'm going to run this up to, let's see, on the Newton meter side, we are at, we'll just go 54.5 right there, and we'll give it a little bit more oomph, and then we'll be right in the middle of the range. Nice and well seated. There it is, torqued in. My first repair YouTube video. Awesome. Thanks.